Experiencing issues with your Lincoln MKZ key fob? The most frequent culprits are a dead battery, a need for resynchronization, or antenna problems. First, replace the CR232 battery. Cold weather or overuse can shorten its lifespan. If that doesn't work, resync the fob. Try cycling the ignition and pressing buttons in sequence, or use an OBD2 tool for a quicker resync. If problems persist, the issue might be the car's antenna, often located in the rear window or bumper. Damage from weather or age can affect its performance. Remember to keep your fob away from magnets and extreme temperatures to prevent issues. If basic fixes fail, deeper issues like a blown fuse or faulty receiver module may require professional diagnostics. For older MKZ models, consider aftermarket universal fobs with programmable chips. The automotive industry is shifting towards digital and app-based keys for enhanced security and convenience. Ford's newer models integrate smartphone apps for keyless entry, eliminating vulnerabilities of traditional fobs. The future leans towards keyless entry and biometric systems.